Good afternoon. We are purchasing our first home via FHA loan. This is an older home in very good condition, but it has a Federal Pacific electrical panel. Will this pass FHA inspection? If not, do you know what the average cost would be to replace this electrical panel? Thank you for your help.
Welcome. My name is XXXXX XXXXX. Would be glad to assist.
Hi, Tommy.
Hello. You are obtaining a loan through a bank or mortgage company, correct?
Through a mortgage company, an FHA loan.
Okay. I have had 2 FHA loans through mortgage companies and they have never had any special criteria as yet. Not that times have not changed since the collapse, but I am unaware that they inspect the electrical panels, etc. Is there some information you have obtained that states there is certain criteria before FHA will back the loan? Besides appraisal, of course.
No, not yet. We have not yet had it inspected, but our realtor said that the inspector will most likely flag it. Apparently there is a fire hazard with this type of electrical box, that there have been instances where it doesn't trip.
I do suspect the home inspector will flag that it is an FPE panel, no doubt. Yes, you are correct, there have been issues on overcurrent not tripping the breakers.
So my concern is that FHA will deny the loan when they find out it is an FPE panel. If we do have to replace it, do you know an estimate on what it might be?
Do you know what the main breaker is? 150? 200? 100?
I believe 100.
Okay. Just a change out, should not require updates, but it does depend on the local permitting office. Estimate on change out alone in the $700 $900 range. Click here and learn on the FPE revision made by the CPSC.
Thank you so much for your help, I really appreciate it. You have been very helpful.
Make sure you read that link too.
I sure will. Thanks again and have a great day.
You are very welcome. Glad to be of service.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.